Welcome back. We are now on the 5th page of the review, starting at number 22. 22 says, if measure angle KNL, so here's K and L, let's highlight that, K and L, is 6x minus 4, and we know that measure angle LNM, so here's L N M, that's 4x plus 24. Find the value of x so that the angle KNM, so KNM, is a right angle. Okay? So basically, before, they intersect at a 90 degrees, and I can set it equal to 90. Here, I got a different scenario, a right angle. Again, with right angles, that's a 90 degrees. So then we drew our dumb square here. So that means that this plus this, that part plus part is equal to that 90 degrees, right? I'm adding those angles up and equal that to 90. So basically, that's just complementary. So we can say 6x minus 4 plus 4x plus 24 is equal to 90 degrees. So then 10x plus 20 equals 90 minus the 20. So I have 10x equals 70, divide, so x is equal to 7. And I'm just going back to the question, and it says find the value of x. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, or I already did that, and I'm going to leave it as is, okay? Now, the next question is, if measure angle JNP is 3x minus 15, and the measure angle JNL is 5x plus 59. I'm going to go ahead and stop there, and I'm going to erase this and go ahead and look at where things are. So, JNP, that is 3x minus 15. And then JNL is right there. That's 5x plus 59, plus 59. Find the values of x so that the angle J and P and J and L are supplements of each other. And when I see the word supplement, so supplement or supplementary is equal to 180 degrees, and complementary is 90 degrees. Okay, super important that you understand. So if they're supplements of each other, that means I have to take this and this, add them up, and equal to 180. So now, if I combine, I get 8x, and then if I circle these things and combine them, that's 44 equals 180. Minus the 44, minus the 44. So I have 8x equals 136, divide. So x equals 17. Do I just need to find x? Yes. Find the value of x, and I did right there. Okay? Alrighty. Last problem of this page. If B is the midpoint of AC, and AB is 9x minus 6, BC is 5x plus 18, then what is the value of x and the length of BC? Okay, so when I'm going to go ahead and just draw what they're saying over here. We have a segment with endpoints A and C, and B is the midpoint. If B is the midpoint, what does that do? So with the midpoint, it splits the segment into two congruent parts. That means that this here and this here are going to be congruent. So tick mark here, tick mark here. So AB is 9x minus 6, and BC is 5x plus 18, and both of them are congruent, right? In the language of geometry, segment AB is congruent to segment BC, but in the language of algebra, AB is equal to BC. That means I just equal them to each other. So let's write that. AB is equal to BC. 9x minus 6 equals 5x plus 18 minus 5x minus the 5x. Add 6, add 6. What do I get? Well, that'll go away. That's 4x equals, what is that, 24? 4x is equal to 24? Yep. Divide, x equals, well, 24 divided by 4 is going to be 6, right? So x is equal to 6. It says, what is the value of x and the length of BC? I look back at the question and says BC is currently 5x plus 18. Okay, and now what do I do with this x here? Well, I'm going to replace. Okay, replace. So 5 times 6 plus 18. And then that will give me 48. So that means that this here, the length of BC is 48, and the fact that this and this are incongruent, that's also 48. Okay? Alrighty, that was it for this page, and I will see you for the final page.